Hi guys, this is Teacher Dan, and today I'm going to share to you on how you can customize your landing page to make it beautiful, or how to create also a landing page of your blog. All right, so here especially for the Unity networks. There are lots of professionals already in there, and just me, I'm just only begin, but I am just only sharing what I have learned from this page or from this site. Okay, so at first we need to go here from the profit share, or yeah, we need to log in if you have this site. All right, you need to log in if you have already done. So here they have what we call done for you, but we don't. I'm going because I have only limited time, so I go directly to the profit system, and we can see here the all pages. So all the pages that you have created for the previews. Okay, this is what I'm done and there. So right now we're gonna create a new one. Okay, we're gonna create a new one. So then they are asking you a title. So for example, I wanna write it here, 5 reason. All right, so that you have an idea, 5 reason why we couldn't speak English automatically or fluently. All right, then click launch tribe. Now after clicking on that, I want to show you what happened, what's the result, how it looks like. So there isn't any colorful, right? So because that is why it needs to edit. So now here, what are we going to do is that we need to coming or to go this side. Sorry, my screen can't show you. All right, okay. Now in this side of your right side here, you can see here a plus sign and also a cloud and also the setting on AV. Wait a minute. It, all right, so let's go back. So we are interrupted. Okay. Now you can see here the plus sign and this one. All right, the icon. So if we're gonna do here, they will lead us into different type of templates. All right, they have templates that we can choose here. Now, so what are we going here? We must to select what the best for us. Okay, so if you are focusing on video, so you need to choose one here. All right, so for example this one, because we are going to show off our videos. All right, so example this one. um, yeah, let's see this. All right, choose the template that we are ready. Let's wait for a minute. All right, so it's downloading. So let's see what it look likes. All right, so let's see what it look likes. This video. All right, so now here. So why almost everything you read about content marketing is dead wrong? Now here, so you can see here, it's already done, right? So let's see the preview if you want to see what it look like. So all right, so there are 5 types of content every blogs needs. All right, so if you're a blogger, so how nice it looks, right? So what we're gonna do here is to make it personalized. So what we're gonna do here to personalize, so let's go back to the, well, let's go back to the editor. So here, we're gonna come up here. So if you want to click to change the video, you're gonna click the video here. Now you can see here the URL. There is an URL. So now if your video coming from your YouTube channel, so you are going to go to your YouTube, right? So, but for example, okay, let's go to the YouTube so that we can use the URL. Okay, now you can go to your YouTube channel and then you import your own video. Okay, let's see how it look like. So at just moment, I don't have really good enough of video, but let's see how it looks like, just only for an example. So you can go to your YouTube channel and then click some videos that you would like to post on it. Now here, okay, now this one, okay, and then you click on this link, you copy the link of your YouTube, copy the link, and you are going to go back to your, video architect, yeah, like this, yeah. So you're gonna go back here. Let's remove this other content, yeah, okay. So click this and then change this, then you're gonna right click and you can paste the URL from your YouTube. Alright, so now here we replace it. Then we're gonna try, so we need to save our work down there below. You can save your work. Now let's see. Alright, so here it is. So now it becomes your own video. So let's see the preview. Okay. What's wrong? Yeah, because it's not yet published. So it's just, it looks like this. Okay. But if you publish this, so okay. But one thing here is that we can see already our YouTube here. Okay. Now this side, okay, so there were some pictures here. So if you would like to change the text, so you need to click the box and then you can choose here some colors, because this one is block. So if you want to change these different colors to make it red or orange, green, or yeah, or yellow, so whatever kind of colors that you like. All right, so also this one, they have also the block here, so you're gonna, and then don't forget, every edited of boxes that you are here, don't forget to click the save work. All right, so you're gonna, after that, don't forget, so you can see here on the top, all changes saved. All right, now the photo, so if you want to change the photo, you can replace. So here you can see here on the left side there were words replace, so you're gonna click that replace, and then you can go to this photos here and see the photos. Then you can click the selected photos that you have and then click insert into your post. So it's quite big for you, so you need to make it smaller, so you need to drag using your, alright, so we have already photos here for our personal photos. And this lady, if you would like to change also at the same time, the same action, alright? So you're gonna insert that and then drag up so that it becomes smaller. Okay, now it's done. Now if you change this name, okay, you just click only and then we can put her name Nata Pop Nuke Chop Nuke Chop. Alright, Natapat Nuke Chop, one of the owner of the NAT Center. Okay, so now if you change also the name, alright, so for get your name, put your name on this side also. Okay, now because it lock of box, so you need to come up on the right side, add element. Alright, so you need to add element. So what are we going to do is to add the bottom, or so you can choose here. They have a lot of here. So what would you like to add? Okay, if you need to add more videos, you can select this, also this, and also the audios. Okay, a lot of tabs or that you can add here more. All right. So here, the text or content blocks. Okay, so whatever you like here, you can do it. Okay, logos ever, and they will give you a lot. Okay, now here guys, so now we have only limited because we are only in saving, so we need to save work first, and then let's see the preview of our landing page. All right, so this is it. Okay, if you change this the headings, all right, why? Okay, we'll change, let's see. Okay, we will change that. Okay, so why coronavirus spread? Let's do it again. Okay, coronavirus. What's it? COVID-19. Coronavirus blessing. So okay, COVID 19. Coronavirus. Let's see. Coronavirus blessing. Alright, so it's done. Oh, our time's almost finished because we have only 15 minutes. Alright, so now guys, let's see the preview. Okay, Corona-19 or COVID-19 coronavirus blessing. Now it is done. Now let's go to our tribe architect. Yeah, here. And let's see what's happening on it. And then we'll go there to publish. Okay, save the work. Don't forget to save the work. We have limited time. Now, here it is. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna play. Right, okay. So that's it. It's already done, guys. So that's our tutorial today on how to customize, to personalize, and to create a landing page for your blog. Okay, in the website that you have your own website. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button so that you will be informed for my next video. Alright, so goodbye for now. See you next time.